What's up, everybody? Brian Tong here at CES Unveiled. You can see the doors have opened, so they've let all the people in, all those people that have that pent-up energy, that want to see the latest gadgets. And if you're not familiar with Unveiled, this is an opportunity for companies to really showcase their products before they open the actual show floor. So you can kind of see a lot of different trends here. We've got digital health, we've got smart tech, we've got like this cool freezer cooler robot. There's a whole bunch of action here. I'm just gonna kind of get lost in this because, you know, this is my home. This is where I should be. So I'll see ya. Okay, we're here at Neutrogena's booth and I saw this sign that said like skin stacks. I'm like, okay, what the heck are skin stacks? So I got Desiree here, and can you tell us what is going on here?
Nice to meet you, Brian.
Nice to meet you.
So we are here together, Neutrogena is here together with Nourished, and we're presenting our first 3D printed personalized beauty supplement that's based on the power of our Neutrogena Skin 360 diagnostic.
Wow.
So what's happening is you take a 180-degree scan of your face to analyze your full face.
Oh no.
It analyzes over 2,000 facial attributes, and it provides a unique Skin 360 score.
And with this score, it then
allows Nourished to provide a personalized 3D printed supplement. It prints 7 unique layers of skin-loving vitamins and nutrients, and it's made fresh to order based on someone's unique skin needs and delivered to your door.
So this app just scans your face and can kind of see, oh, whether the skin is maybe drier or bumpier or more acne and can I see, Tom, can I see this thing real quick? This is what they look like?
This is what they look like at the end.
They look like rainbow jellies.
And they're very tasty. You can also select your own flavor at the end of the process.
Can you even tell me what some of these colors represent? Like what?
So each, there are a total of 14 different ingredients. We have a range of 5 skin stacks that we're offering. One is clear, ageless, hydrate, resilient, and glow, depending on what a consumer's skin needs are. And then each has 7 different ingredients to support that skin needs. So for instance, if we look at ageless, it has vitamin A, E, vitamin C, selenium, zinc, CoQ10, and riboflavin.
So ageless, one of them is ageless. How old do you think I am? Let's see how old do you think I am? Let's take a guess.
Well, I recommend you take the diagnostic to see what your skin really needs.
Okay, maybe I will, but this one is the prettiest.
It is very pretty.
I have no idea what this tastes like. I'm gonna eat it. It's kind of starbursty. Kind of like those jellies at a fancy foofy restaurant. Oh my god, my skin feels amazing right now.
We like
this
when it
works
immediately.
It's beautiful, flawless.
It's sugar-free, non-GMO, free of major allergens. I know.
Do you want to eat one?
And vegan.
You want to eat one with me?
Sure.
See? Here, cheers.
Cheers.
It's a great skin. Oh, this one's warm. It just printed it.
Probably someone touched it.
All right, you walk around the show floor and sometimes you just gotta go with the flow. EcoFlow, that could be a slogan. He'll Chevy's a product marketing manager. He'll decide that. Don't take my word for it, but you know, we saw you got some amazing stuff here, some CES Innovation Awards. If you're someone who likes to go out to a picnic, a park, a barbecue, this instantly caught my eye. Chevy, tell me what this is, man.
So this is our EcoFlow gauzers here, which we integrate freezer, cooler, and Icemaker into one. So as you can see here, we got 2 different temperature zones here. One is right now is taken as freezer, one is as cooler right in here, and this is our Icemaker. So if you don't want to combine the 2 zones into one, just take out the blocker in the middle.
Oh, so this could be a whole freezer, right? You remove the center divider.
Exactly.
This could be, or just a full refrigerator. And is this where I press to show the Icemaker?
Yes, this is perfect. This is our Icemaker. It's not doing the ice making right now, but we can make the ice in 12 minutes. It's really fast.
That's incredible.
You can also change different shape of the
ice itself?
Yeah, you can do large booty shape or small booty shape ice cube.
That's
so
incredible.
Yes.
When is this available?
It would be available this year around April.
Okay.
Yeah, around April.
Amazing. Okay,
Yes.
I like. And what are you retailing it for? Have you guys said that yet or not yet?
It's not yet.
Oh.
It's not yet.
Secret. We're at Unveiled.
Secret.
We're a little early, right? That's the whole point of this. Okay. Well, let's come over here because this is, you know, when you first see this, I was like, all right, this looks like a lawnmower. I think it's a lawnmower, but it looks like a pretty badass lawnmower. So tell me about this.
This is the best actually. As you can see here, this is our robotic lawnmower. The biggest feature about this is you don't need to make a real boundary, which means you don't need to make a fence around your lawn to block it from the outside. You can just use our RTK here.
So this is like a it's like a stake you put in the ground.
Yes, it's like you will scan the area and you just map the area in our EcoFlow app to say, okay, this is our lawn. This is the place you can only go, and she will stick with it.
Wow.
And this is our lower lawn swiper kit, which to collect the trash on your lawn, maybe
like big leaves or things
yeah,
like
big
that.
leaves, like trees or some rocks maybe.
And when is this going to be available? I mean, I feel like I want both of your products right now, man.
This will be also by launching and release in May this year. Yeah, in this year.
Incredible. So 2 CES Innovation Awards. That's pretty awesome. I mean, not many booths get that, but honestly, I didn't even know you were honorees. I just saw this. I'm like, what is that? So congratulations. This is really cool stuff.
Yes, that's why because our company slogan is Power New World, and those brilliant and good product we made is all for Power the New World.
Awesome. Thanks, Chevy. Appreciate it. All right. Have a good show. We're here at I-PerCut. I-PerCut has the I-PerSkin. You know, I'm not an expert here. I got Dan here to tell me all about it, what we are really going to do today. So Dan, I was fascinated by seeing this. So please, what are we looking at here?
So we're looking at a cover that you put around your punching bag and transform it as a smart punching bag. Smart because you will get all the data from your session, like the strength, the speed, the number of hits, and so this is one kind of program that you can get. And also the guided program where the lights will turn on and give you some nice combination.
Oh, okay. So what's fascinating, right? This is a cover.
Yes.
So this is we've seen products that are smart bags. You have to buy everything, but a lot of people already have bags. Go to the gym, they already have bags. So you could, I guess, take this with you and then use it?
Exactly. It's just like a socks. You take it and you put above your any punching ball. You have different size of socks, but yes, you can adapt it.
This is, I mean, that idea is super smart. So, I don't know. Do you want to just go for a walk me through a trainer?
Let's make a try. Yeah.
Okay.
It's a free mode. You will just hit the different targets.
This is free mode.
Yes, you hit where you want, and we will see all your results.
Oh god, he's gonna.
So I will put one round, 15 seconds. We will see the strength, the speed, and the volume. And when you're ready, when it's green, you can go.
This is embarrassing, guys. This is embarrassing. You better hold it like right now.
Yes, anywhere you want.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
Finish.
Finish. Okay.
If you want to see your results, you ready?
I'm gonna be embarrassed, but let's try and see the result. Let's try and see the result.
So, this is the force.
He's laughing already at the force.
No, hit number 17 was the strongest.
Okay.
Seems. 34 impact in 15 seconds. It's quite a lot.
Okay.
2 by second. The speed is really good. The force 26, and the average strength rate was a bit lower. Yeah.
This is.
But it's quite good. And what is important is that with that you will see the improvement session after session. You start like this, but you will become Mike Tyson soon.
I'm trying to be cool and not breathe heavy because it was only 50 seconds long. I was like, yes, Dan. So, how much is this and when will it be available?
So it's $800. It's available in France right now.
Okay.
But we are looking for distributor from across the world.
I-PerCut, I-PerSkin.
Yes.
Ooh, dabs. I feel like we should have him put on the gloves. I feel like he'd be pretty good.
If you want, I can try.
All right. Well, you know what? I'm gonna punch my way out of here. That's CES Unveiled. Again, just amazing stuff here. When we talk about the future tech, come on. This is amazing. So, boom. Ba, ba, ba. Ba, 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 ba.